Are you typing too fast? Do you not have enough carpal tunnel syndrome? I've got the thing for you. It's the world's smallest keyboard. When you think of great designs, you think of Apple. I don't know. Apple. Well, this is the opposite. This is anti-Apple. This is the worst experience you could have with this finished product, I guess. Here's the build montage. So basically how input works is you have to put in a combination of ones and zeros as these keys as open and close, so like some binary like that or something, and then you have to hit enter to submit your key to the computer. And well, as you could probably guess, that is really slow, takes a long time, and is overall really annoying. Let me just show you a demo of me writing my name. So, as you can see on the left, I've pulled up an ASCII table, and whenever you input a binary combination into the keyboard, the program on board translates that binary into the decimal equivalent and then checks it on against an ASCII table and then outputs that character to your computer. So when you type in, you have to figure out your character, then figure out the number, then figure out the binary, and then type it in. "3 minutes to write my name." That comes out to 0.3 words per minute. This project took me way too long. Is the keyboard useful? No. Does the keyboard look good? No. Well, to the absolute surprise of no one, it kinda sucked. So, yeah. You know what won't suck? Subscribing to my channel. Should do that. We're almost at 5 subscribers. Okay, bye.